dirty texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the obvious, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm bothered, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about shit, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it, you can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? So stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it, you can tell your friends about it. Tell your friends about it. Tell your friends about it. You see how I did it on the low. Go tell them niggas, tell them bitches, tell them niggas I'm just living. Tell them now you thought you was the nigga, fucking bitches. Now you wishing you were with me, living life so trill. Oh, what the fuck was you thinking? You probably wasn't even thinking. Oh shit. I stay fly I've been through some shit, man, but I be on my shit, man. I decided that what you give is what you give me, so I've been trying to do it right. I've been doing like whatever gets me through the night. What a life. I'm steady, always on the go. You steady, always on the go. We steady losing all control. What a life. What a life. What a life. What a life. They say the truth ain't pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a life. 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 What a life that I've been given. What a life. What a life that I've been living. What a life. What a life we died to live. And what a life.
You should just know, babe. You should just know. I've been thinking about it, praying for the week and make it run away. Looking for reasons for me to skip a plea. Sorry if the words I say they cut you deep. I ain't trying to do something that I don't mean. I say I'm done, I'm leaving, and you say don't run, I'm leaving the next day.
But I would die for your touch, but I can't leave it with us. Don't wanna taste it. Haven't you had enough?
You should just know by now that we ain't working out. Tuning it up, you fading out. I'm fading out, we fading out. You should just know by now that we ain't working out. Tuning it up, you fading out. I'm fading out, we fading out. You should just know I've been praying on it, but I know it's pointless. You fit the shoe. You know you feel it, baby, this ain't breaking news. I'm sorry, cause the words I say me clear your dreams. Me and you just don't make the perfect team. I said I'm done leaving, and you said don't run, leaving the next day. Like that, but back on up.
But I would die for your touch, but I